Alright guys, so hopefully you watched my last tutorial, number 68, and now you're watching the 69th tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be finishing up the program that, well, I don't know if we're going to be finishing it, but we're going to be continuing the program that we started in the last tutorial. So in the last tutorial what we did is we basically built the main functionality for our program. The only thing that we didn't do is handle the other items except for 4. So I already told you guys that what this loop does is it tests this variable what they want, and if it's equal to 1 it should print out the plain items. If it's equal to 2 it should print out the helpful items. If they enter the number 3, then it should print out the items that are harmful to the character. So what we want to do is we want to test this what they want variable for 1, 2, or 3. Now what we can do is make a bunch of different if statements, but remember I told you guys, whenever you're testing a single variable for multiple values, it's better to use a switch statement. Now a switch statement takes one parameter, the variable, what they want, and it tested against a bunch of different cases. So let's go ahead and finish this by, we need the curly braces right here, and inside the curly braces of the switch statement we write all those different cases. So we go ahead and we first write, in the case of 1, what do we want to do? And we're going to be wanting to display these items, and we can write all the code right here, but since we're going to be displaying the items multiple times, it's better to build a function later on. So let's go ahead and just, again, I didn't build this function yet, we're going to be building it later on, but let's go ahead and build a function called display items, and whenever we enter 1, we're going to pass in the parameter 1. Now display items, like I said, is going to be a function